Have you ever wanted to analyze data without writing a single line of code? To analyze data, meet Orange, a powerful open source data visualization and analysis tool designed for both beginners and experts. Whether you are working with machine learning or can be used in bioinformatics, Orange can simplify complex tasks with an easy to use drag and drop interface. In this video, we will explore its key features and demonstrate how it can be used for data analysis. Orange 3 is a visual programming tool, means you can create workflows by simply connecting different widgets. There are different type of widgets which we can use. First type is data, from which we can import the data like Excel files, CSV files, datasets, and SQL table, etc. Next is transform, where we can change the data according to our desire, like selecting some specific rows or columns, merging or concatenating two data, etc. Next is visualize, from which we can visualize the data on scatter plot, line plot, heat map, volume plot, etc. Next is model, which is useful in model training using different algorithms like linear or logistic regression, loading and saving model. Next is evaluate, used for testing, evaluation, cross-validation, prediction with performance curve. Next widget is unsupervised, from which we can use clustering, dimensionality reduction using k-means, log-n clustering, TSNE, etc.
Let's analyze a dataset named Iris in our N3, a common dataset for machine learning. First, we import the CSV widget into our workflow. We select the Iris dataset which contains data of different flower species, and now it is imported. We can see there are 150 rows and 5 features, means 5 columns in the dataset. Next, we add the data table widget to inspect the dataset using its unique feature drag and drop. We can connect data table and CSV file. We can analyze data into table. We can select column using its transform feature. We can merge data. We can select columns, sepal width, petal length, petal width, species. We can select any columns. Here we can use various data transform. Here I take two example, unique. I select species as a unique column and check it data. You can see it gives Setosa, versicolor and versigina, and we can apply formula. Here we can add x1 column by take sepal length plus sepal width and send it, and we can see it in data table. Here we can see x1 column with sepal length plus sepal width. To visualize the data, we can collect scatter plot and distribution widget. This immediately gives us an interactive graph of dataset. We can zoom it, zoom out it. We can select x-axis as a sepal width, sepal length, petal length, etc. We can select species as y-axis, but we plot sepal length versus sepal width, and we can give colors according to sepal length, sepal width, species. Connect distribution widget to here, and we can see distribution of petal length. This tool is very useful in machine learning. We have various models and evaluate methods on supervised machine learning. Here is the example of logistic regression. We can iris as an input and we apply logistic regression. You can apply any regression here. We test and score the data. It give data about test. It will create a confusion matrix, and we can see a scatter plot with a three different region for versicolor, setosa, and virginica.
That's a quick overview of Orange 3. It is a powerful tool for data analysis, especially for those who prefer a visual approach over coding. Whether you are a student, researcher, or professional, Orange 3 can simplify your workflow and help you gain insight from data effortlessly.